When you work in the project and if you need to make more symbols the same way as this, then you might need some information in the symbol. What you can do is that you can open one of the symbols here and say that you, for instance, want to show the type of the component, and then simply click this visible or tick this visible small box here. Click OK, and then type will be visible here. And if I click shift to this text command, I can take the type and simply drag it into the middle of the symbol. I could leave it here as well, but I could also drag it into the symbol here. That's one way of giving a little bit more information about this component here. But what I might do also is that I could add an auxiliary symbol to the symbol here, simply giving extra information in a symbol-like manner instead. I don't remember whether, or don't know whether you remember, but when you see the symbol generator here, and I'll just go back to this this very small electrical symbol that I started out with, and then you can see that I have this small one here saying edit symbol. If I do that, click this one, I will go into the symbol editor. And in the symbol editor, I'll tell a little bit more about what options you have in the symbol editor in the next video, but for now I'll go in and simply use it to make this symbol a little bit better. I open the symbol editor. You can see that it's blinking here. It's a red called symbol, and if this component that I'm making the symbol for something with a, for instance, a variable value, I could go up in the pick menu here, select the symbol that is for variability, select it, and simply place it in the symbol here. I can go to the Find Snap, because in that way I'll place it right in the middle, and click, place it here, deselect that one, and say that this looks exactly like a symbol I want to have in this project. What I did here was putting together two standard symbols. The box is a standard symbol, and this variability is a standard symbol. So what I've made here is actually a standard symbol. So I can use this in my projects, and everything is okay. But what I need to do before I can use it is that I need to save it. So go up here and say save as. So I'll save it, and I'll just call it a new symbol, and click OK. And then I would, if you go in here, you can see all the folders that I have for symbols. I'll go into this user library, because the user library is my own symbols. It's simply created for that. And what I will is that I'll save this symbol with a name, and I'll just call it new one, and that's it. And because all the symbols we make today are new symbols, so I'll just save it this way. And now you can see the file name is new. So click to exit, and that's it. So when I go to the symbol menu now, I have this new symbol here. I can select it, and I will zoom in, and I can place it right here and call it B3, and click OK. And you can see now the symbol looks okay, and it's got this variability arrow in it. So what I can do then is that the symbols I have here, if I want to, I can replace them with this symbol here. I'll keep all information about type and article number, but I want another graphical representation of the symbol. So what I can do is that I can click it, and I have the command in the right click menu, but you cannot see that on the video. But in functions, I also have this replace for symbol function here. So if I go into this one, I can go in and say I want to replace all the symbols that I have already in the project or on the page. And I can replace them and select to replace them with this new symbol that I just made. And then I have a lot of settings concerning values and position, visibility of all the symbol text that I have, like type and article and that. I simply want it to be visible the same way as my new symbol. That means not visible. And the position should also be according to my new symbol. So when I did those settings here, I can click OK, and then all my symbols will be replaced. I told you that this one would keep its information about type and article number, the same with this one, and this one had no type and article number. So if you want to use the symbol generator to generate very simple symbols, also with those auxiliary symbols, just click the edit symbol, but it also means that you must save your symbol with a file name in order to use it in the project.